People ask us, well, what do you do at Avitan? That's hard to answer. But what's easy to answer is the effect what we do has on our clients.
We start with the analysis of the company. We work with the management, with the owners, and with them, we move the companies forward.
They're looking for more, they're looking for better. They want more profitability and they don't know how to get it. They exhausted their area of knowledge and they know they could do better, they just don't know how to do it.
We actually send our trainers out each month to the company job sites and offices so that the trainers can train the company and the business owners on the various components of the training, such as charge-out rates, estimating principles, change orders, business planning, and all the other components. We actually have over 17 modules of training.
When a company hires Avitan, they don't just get Amos, they don't just get Rachel, they really get the entire team.
We're only as good as the people that represent us. In our case, it's the trainers that go out and deliver the training and the mentoring and the coaching.
Amos, his experience in this business is just unprecedented. But the really remarkable thing about him is that he has taken what he's learned and he's distilled it down into these series of courses that covers just about everything, well actually I should say everything in the business.
And after a bit of training, what I notice is our clients are standing up a little taller.
It just sets them on a whole new path and it's so rewarding and exciting to see where they take it from the start we give them.
We do find that within the first 6 months that the results of the training are shown in the results of the company.
We have a client in Calgary who recently called in and just to say thank you for everything we have done. And he said, I'm living the dream. And that's really why we do what we do.